and welcome back to the Built by Rich YouTube channel. You can also follow me at Built by Rich on Instagram. Uh, Today, I'm gonna do another DIY maintenance project for the MR2 right there. I live here in SoCal. It barely rains out here, but the last couple days it has rained. And if you own an MR2 SW20 chassis with a T-top, you already know that those T-top leaks. Today we're gonna attempt to remedy that so I don't have a wet butt when I sit in the car when it's full when it rains and it's wet. So I'll show you how to do that today. We'll be using a couple things. We are going to be using the Permatex silicone and saran wrap. I'll show you what I'm going to do with those. So stay tuned. All right, we're going to start off by removing the T-top. Trying to do this one-handed. Whoa! All right. Well, gonna clean this out so we have a nice clean surface. But what happens here is when water gets in here, it leaks down this way, down to this channel, and drips down right about here. Same thing on this side. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some silicone right around this area. Same thing here. So it has a nice tighter seal. At least that's the idea of it. All right, let me clean this up and show you guys. All right, I got those surfaces nice and clean. I used some rubbing alcohol to clean it up, make sure it's not any grease on there. I'll show you what I'm gonna use. Again, we are using black adhesive sealant, silicone RTV from Permatex, and I'll show you where to put it. But let me open this up and get it all set up. All right, she's all set up. Now, let's put this in here, in the door. All right, what you're gonna do is we're gonna put a bead bit up here too. All right, same thing here on this side, if I can see. That should be good. Now the T-top is gonna press it all in place, so I don't need to really mess with it too much. I just gotta do the other side, and oh, actually I gotta do the T-top. So you also want to put some here. And here. All right. What we want is get our saran wrap and just put it where we have the sealant. So what that does is it creates a barrier between the sealant on both sides and the T-top. like so. And then we grab our T-top and grab it with one hand. Oh, a little heavy. All right, trying to do this one hand. All right. And lock it in. And there you go. We'll leave it on for 24 hours for the silicone to cure. And that should do it. All right. See you guys in 24 hours.
24 hours later.
All right. It's been raining, so it's actually a good test. Let's see. Thing looks dry. Let's see. Let's peel it out. See how it looks. Nice and dry. It's been 24 hours, so let's put this back on. And I'll check tomorrow to see if it leaks. But so far it looks good. Okay, gotta just double check. And nope, that's just stains, but it's dry. Sweet. Sweet, works. There you have it. Stay tuned for more stuff.